Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. If you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can make my Asian-inspired, a very tasty, quick and easy 5-minute ginger cauliflower rice stir fry. You'll also like this recipe because it's a budget-friendly vegetable side dish that you can serve with many different entrees. Please watch all the way to the end because I will show you some of my favorite Korean, Vietnamese, Thai, and Chinese entrees that this ginger cauliflower rice is a perfect complement for. I would like to mention that I always post all the links to mentioned videos and the links to my written and printable recipe in the description below. But I hope that you'll take the time and watch the entire video because as I'm making this recipe, I do share with you some handy tips and provide explanations so that you can better understand the whys and the hows of the recipe. And so that you can judge your serving size, the macronutrient ratio for this 5-minute ginger cauliflower rice stir fry is 2.1 to 1, with 5.6 grams of total carbs, 0.8 grams of soluble fiber, 1.3 grams of insoluble fiber, resulting in only 3.5 grams of net carbs per serving. To make this recipe, you will only need these 5 ingredients. Although you can always buy prepared frozen cauli rice, I actually prefer to get a fresh head of cauliflower rice, and for this recipe, I prefer to chop it up into tiny pieces rather than grate it, because for the stir fry, the larger pieces will actually work better. After preparing your cauli rice, then weigh your cauliflower rice. I would highly recommend you use a scale and measure either in grams or ounces, not just cups, because when you're using a cup, you'll most definitely get different weights, and the difference will affect your macros as well as, in some cases, especially baking, it affects your overall recipe. Once you have prepared and weighed your cauliflower rice, place your wok on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, drop in the prepared cauliflower rice. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 or 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, or 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, and toss well to combine. Let everything fry undisturbed for a couple minutes, then toss as you cook for 2 more minutes. And that's all there is. Your cauliflower rice side dish is all done, and transfer this to a serving platter. In my opinion, this cauli rice is the perfect side dish with the pepper steak. Or you could serve this 5-minute ginger cauli rice with these recipes. This is my spicy pork bulgogi, which also can be called keto Korean pork barbecue. This one is my keto beef bulgogi. This time it's a keto Korean beef barbecue. And for chicken lovers, this spicy Korean barbecue chicken wings recipe, which can also be called keto gochujang barbecue wings. I also like to pair the ginger cauli rice with my Chinese sesame chicken, the teriyaki steak, as well as the Thai-styled pork tenderloin. And if you watched all the way to the end, here's a little sneak peek for my next video in which I also use this ginger cauli rice as a side dish. And one last hint. This cauli rice can be frozen in an airtight container in your freezer for several months to reheat, take out, thaw overnight, and give it a quick stir fry to heat up or microwave. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please let me know what I can do on this channel to help you with your low-carb, keto, or healthy lifestyle. Please come back when I post my next video, and until next time, have a wonderful day.